All right, we're just starting to put our motor together. It's a 115 Yamaha 2015, and I thought I'd mention something I learned from the internet. Is that Yamaha has a great reputation making four-strokes even before they made Outboards. I mean, long before. Back in even in the 60s, when Toyota needed some really good engineering for their first sports car, they were building in America. I don't remember the model number, but they had Yamaha design the engine and built the engine. So it was a Yamaha engine and a Toyota. Fast forward to the 80s, early 90s, Taurus wanted to make a high performance motor, or Ford did. It was called a show. And they had Yamaha make the intake and the intake runners. And it's a famously good engine. Was way ahead of its time in the late 80s. It didn't sell too well because Taurus was not known as a high performance motor. So the point is, everybody thinks, well, history, so what? Well, no, it's important to know history. If you're picking out an outboard, you might want to say, well, I never heard anybody calling up Suzuki to say, hey, Suzuki, could you design a motor for my car? I don't think that ever happened. Correct me if I'm wrong. Same with Mercury, same with Johnson. So kudos to Yamaha on that.